So the food services business was definitely impacted because people were not allowed to go out. There were lockdowns, restaurants were shut down, bars were shut down, cafes were shut down. So obviously that part of the business was impacted. But people still have to eat. So fortunately the retail part of the business went up. We didn't know how long drawn it would be. So we spent some time just trying to see, where this would go. The normal thing for a lot of companies to do in a situation like this is to cut back on all expenses. We went ahead and did a 14 market study on trying to understand the impact of COVID on consumer behavior and the future of food and beverages over the next 4 years. People have started staying at home. Their lifestyles have changed, so they're working from home, they're staying or spending more time at home. The impact will be more in terms of what they consume and what the different F&B players need to do to kind of address their changing needs and requirements. From a wellness and a health perspective, I think the expectations will change. So immediately people are looking at food that helps build immunity. They will start looking at the ingredient list in terms of whatever they're consuming to see what are the benefits that it delivers. People will also look at the origin of food, for example, because if I'm consuming something which is locally produced, it means one, it's fresher, it's more nutritious, and thirdly, it's about helping the local communities. So that's going to be priority for a lot of people. People becoming more value conscious. So because the economy is impacted, people want more value out of what they're eating. So again, this goes back to some extent about looking at nutritionally dense food, which is again locally produced food. Our messaging to our customers is that we've invested a lot even in this time of crisis to have a very good understanding of how consumer behavior is changing, and our R&D team is developing solutions to match the changing consumer needs, and we can help you with that. What we've learned is that with every crisis comes an opportunity. And if the next crisis comes along, we would definitely, be in the right frame of mind to, deal with that.